Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, Mommy Pig and her three little pigs lived in a blue house, but it was too small. So the pigs went out to find new homes. The first little pig built a house from straw. He was very happy with his straw house. The second little pig built a house from sticks. He was very happy with his wooden house. The third little pig wanted to build a house that was stronger than the other two. He built his house from bricks. A big, bad wolf was roaming in the woods. He went to the first little pig's house. He looked inside the window and saw the first little pig. The big bad wolf puffed and puffed. He blew the house made from straw away. The first little pig ran to the second little pig's house. The big bad wolf went to the second little pig's stick house. He looked inside and saw the two little pigs. The big bad wolf huffed and puffed. He blew the house made from sticks away. The two little pigs ran to the third little pig's house. The big bad wolf went to the third little pig's house. He looked inside the window. He saw the three little pigs in the house together. The big bad wolf huffed and puffed, but he could not blow away the house made from bricks. The brick house was too strong for the wolf. The big bad wolf came up with a plan. He climbed up the roof to jump down the chimney. The wolf landed in a pot of boiling water. The three little pigs had put the pot on the fire underneath the chimney. The big bad wolf ran out of the house. The three little pigs were very happy. They lived happily ever after.